This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today, we are stir-frying 5-spice pork belly. I have here 500 grams of pork belly. They have already been pre-sliced into about 1 cm thick. Remove the top layer of skin. Cut the pork belly into 1 finger width or 2 to 3 cm pieces. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of 5-spice powder and coat it really well. Next, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of cornflour. And make sure that every piece of the pork belly is coated with that cornflour. Next, for the aromatics. Roughly chop up 3 cloves of garlic. Four to 5 slices of ginger. 3 stalks of spring onions. Separate the white and green parts of the spring onions. Pat down the white part to help it release its flavor. Then, cut them all into about 3 finger width or 2 inches in length. For the sauce, mix together 250 ml of water, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of dark soy sauce for the color, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir this really well to dissolve the sugar. Now that we have prepared all the ingredients, it's time to stir fry. Put your pan over a medium heat. When the pan is hot, add in 3 tablespoons of oil. And when the oil is hot, add in the pork belly. Arrange the pork belly in 1 layer at the bottom of the pan. Fry this for about 2 minutes till it turns brown. Then, turn it over to the other side and fry the other side as well. When the other side is brown, add in the aromatics. That's the garlic, the ginger, and the white parts of the spring onions. Fry this for about 30 seconds till you are able to smell the aromatics. Next, give the prepared sauce a good stir to get to the unmelted sugar at the bottom. Pour all this over the pork. Give it a good stir and bring it to a boil. When it's boiling, lower the heat to a simmer. Cover and cook this for about 4 to 6 minutes. After 4 to 6 minutes, if there's still too much sauce, continue to boil it and let the sauce reduce to a glossy and sticky sauce. Taste and adjust for seasoning. When the taste is to your liking, stir in the green parts of the spring onions. Turn off the heat and we are done. This is 5-spice pork belly stir fry.